Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this sweet look that I have on right now, and if this seems like something you're interested in, then stick around and keep on watching. So my face is already moisturized and I'm going to start with my NYX Angel Veil Primer. Moving on to highlight with my Gleam by Melanie in Deep Gold. I don't know what is wrong with my camera today, but it is refusing to focus. So just in case you guys can't see the products that I'm using, I'm going to have a list in my description box so you can find it there. Moving on to even out my hyperpigmentation with my black opal foundation stick in Suede Mocha. Now that that is done, I'm going to move on to foundation, and for my foundation I'm going to be using my Maybelline Superstay foundation, and this one is in deep bronze. I'm going to go in with my Garnier Rose Water and I'm just going to spray this all over my face. I used to enjoy doing this after my foundation, but I haven't done it in a while, and today I'm just going to be tweaking my makeup steps a little bit, going back to some of my old favorites, and yeah, we're going to leave that to dry down. Going into my L'Oreal concealer in Chestnut. To furthermore brighten my under eyes, I'm going to go in with another shade of the same concealer that I used earlier, and this one is Honey. Just because I feel like cream contouring today, I'm going to go in with my black opal foundation stick, and I'm going to be using, what shade is this one? This one is Ebony Brown. I actually like it. I've not done this in I can't even remember when last I did this. I don't usually cream contour, but I really like how this is looking. I'm going to go back with my rose water. I'm going to spray again. So now I'm going to move on to blush, and I'm going to be using my e.l.f. multi-stick in Bronzy. I love how dewy my makeup looks today, I love it. Now I'm going to be setting the highlighted areas with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to be setting the contoured areas with my Fenty Beauty Mochamami bronzer. I'm going to be setting the rest of my face with my Iman pressed powder in medium deep. I'm going to be filling in my brows with my Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in black brown. So after what seemed like an eternity, my brows are done, and I also went on to bake under my eyes a little bit. And now to prep my eyes for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this concealer. It's from L'Oreal as well, and this one is in the shade Cashew. I'm just going to use this as a base for my eyeshadow today. I went in to bake my smile lines as well, because you see those problematic smile lines, they never stay in check unless they are baked, at least for a bit. So I'm going to just go ahead and do my eyeshadow now, and I'm going to be using the same bronzer that I used earlier from Fenty Beauty first. I'm going to pack that on first before I move on to blend it out. So I'm applying the brown up to this part right here, close to my brows, and bringing it down underneath my brow bone here. Now that the brown is to my liking, I'm going to go in with my, what palette is this now? Magic Mini by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. Where is it now? And I'm going to be using this shade right here to blend the edges of the brown. Taking a bit of my Sacha buttercup setting powder, I'm just going to use that to buff my brow bone area right here. I'm going to reapply a little bit of that same concealer on the lid so that we can get the eyeshadow to pop. Going back into the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using this shade right here. Then I'm going to go back into this shade that we used earlier, and I'm just going to pack that at the edge right here too. I'm going to be lining with this gel liner from Maybelline. It's their Blackest Black. This is the long-lasting drama gel liner. I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I'm going to use this dark shade right here, this one right here, to smudge the black gel liner. So I want to darken this area right here a little bit. So I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here, this deep brown. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. Now I'm going to be applying my Milani highlighter in the shade 4. I'm going to be lining my lips with my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Protector. Anytime I'm doing a nude lip, this is my go-to for lining my lips. So I'm going to be applying my Milani lipstick in 69. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the same concealer that I used to prime my lid. Topping that with a clear lip gloss. Lashes are on, and the lashes I used today are from AliExpress, and yeah, this is the final look.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah, nah.
And yeah, that pretty much brings us to the end of today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you made it to this point, you might as well join the family. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.